In this video, what we are going to do, we are going to cover the basic part of downloading and installing PyCharm on your system. So what you have to do first, search for PyCharm in your Google. It will show PyCharm Python IDLE for professional developers. When you click this link, it comes to appear like this. What you have to do is yes, I'm agree, and click on this download now option. The page will come like this. There are the two versions of PyCharm, that is professional and community. Professional version is for a paid version and community is for free and open source. You can download for Mac and Linux also. So for community, just click on this for a free version of PyCharm. When you click over here, the downloading start. I am already having the setup of this. So let's begin with that. When you do that, it comes to be appear like this, a pop-up window of PyCharm software. You have to just press enter. It shows the space that is required for this. Press enter. Install. I'm going to fast forward this. You can click here to check the details. The installation is complete. Now we have to configure it. It will show option that do you have any backup files or any other data which were there in your system. Just click do not import setting. Now you have to do the scroll down to the bottom of this page and accept this license. It is for sharing your data with the JetBeans for improving your PyCharm. So they given a two option. What UI you want, a dark or light. I am selecting a light one. So it will show some of the options for to download. That markdown bash. It is not necessary to install all of them. Just skip this step. Start using PyCharm. So how we have to create a new project over here? Click over here. Let it be project 1 and create. It will take a time for creating a virtual environment. So while the indexing gets over, just wait for a while. So indexing is over. So what you have to do, this is my folder that I have created first. Just right click over here. What file you want to create, a simple text file, directory, Python packages, Python file, Jupyter notebook, HTML file. So we are going to test it with Python file. Name it hello. So we are going to print a command, print So right click over here and press run hello. See the output, it's hello. So your PyCharm is working. Thanks for watching.